Want to turn your Cisco 2901 router into a neatly rack-mounted powerhouse? With the CISCO ACS 2901 RM19 RF Rack Mount Kit, you can upgrade your setup, instantly bringing enterprise-grade organization into your workspace or server room. This Cisco certified 19-inch rack mount kit is remanufactured to OEM specifications. It includes brackets engineered to securely mount your Cisco 2901 and compatible models like 2911, 2921, 2951 into a standard 19 rack unit. Low profile, tight fit, reliable hardware, authentic Cisco gear, restored to precision standards, delivering unmatched build confidence at a fraction of the price. This certified remanufactured kit gives genuine OEM quality without the cost of brand new mounting sets. Organize. Free up desk or shelf space by installing your router into a dedicated rack unit. Stabilize. Secure your router firmly, no wobble, no shifting. Full support in network environments. Streamline rack mounted. Gear simplifies cable management, airflow, and maintenance tasks. Network admins and IT teams who need orderly rack setups and space optimization. Managed service providers installing Cisco routers in data centers or client sites. Wholesalers and resellers bundling modular rack hardware with Cisco infrastructure. Home office or lab enthusiasts looking to convert unruly setups into professional environments. Refurbished, certified, and priced around $47. This kit gives you OEM-grade mounting hardware for Cisco ISR 2901 routers without breaking the budget. Backed by tested condition and industry-standard compatibility. It's a smart choice for long-term deployment. Tidy your network. Secure your hardware. Transform your space. Add the Cisco ACS 2901 RM19 RF Rack Mount Kit to your setup today at Professional Mounting in moments, because quality matters. When your router's as reliable as Cisco, don't let its mounting hold you back. Bring it into the rack. Bring it into line. Get the ACS 2901 RM19 RF now for sleek, secure, rack-ready deployment.